Next thing we are going to talk about is India unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means कि India नि अंदर we have so many cultures, we have so many religions, we have so many different forms of culture. Like culture in South is different from culture in West, then culture of West is different from culture in East. Okay, culture in East is different than culture in South. Yet we all are united together and we stay as Indians, right? We stay together in unity. So India, unity in diversity. Being one of the most ancient civilization of the world, India has varied and rich cultural heritage. So they are saying that we are the most ancient civilization that exists on the earth, okay, which started from Indus Valley civilization, and since then we are rich in culture, we are rich in heritage which is there in India, okay. Diversity of India in its unique identity. Now the fact that we are so diverse meaning different, we have so many different culture, we have different languages, so many different religions, is something that makes India unique and different, okay. It is a fine amalgamation. Amalgamation means combination or mixture of different caste, community, religion, tradition, culture, language, in spite of having variety. So what are they saying? That India, we don't know India કે ભાઈ અગર તમે ઇન્ડિયા કહો તો તમારા મગજમાં એમ ન આવે કે ખાલી હિન્દુઝ રહે છે. નો, ઇન્ડિયા has everyone. We have Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, Christian, Jews, so many people. We have different castes, right? We have Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. We have so many different communities. We have so many different languages. We have so many different culture, different food. Okay, food in South is different than food in Maharashtra, than food in Gujarat. Okay, so food, all these things are so different in India, and yet we have so many different variety, yet we all stay together as one. Yet India stands united and undivided. Nobody can divide us, we all are united together. India has proved the feeling of Vasudev Kutumbakam. Vasudev Kutumbakam means the whole world is our family. This is something which India promotes, that the whole world is our family, we work towards peace. If you see that if any country wants help from India, we always provide help. Okay, we always provide help to any country which comes asking for our help. So we believe in the propaganda of Vasudev Kutumbakam, okay, which means the whole world is our family. The whole world is a family. This feeling exists in India since Vedic time. So since ancient time, since foreign time, this feeling has been existing in India. Let us get good thoughts and vibration from all four directions is the message of Rig Veda. So what is the message Rig Veda is saying? Get positive energy, get positive thoughts from all four directions. All four directions meaning from all sides, which shows the glory of Indian culture. It shows how big Indian culture is, how good values does the Indian culture promote. India has spread religious tolerance and secularism across the world. Okay, across the world we spread the message of tolerance. Tolerance meaning acceptance, okay, and secularism. Secularism means India does not have we do not have a national religion. Okay, India follows the policy of secularism, that is we give importance to each and every religion that is present in India. Okay, we do not say ki okay Hindu is the national religion or Muslim is the national religion. No, we respect all the religions, we do not have a national religion, and that is the concept of secularism that has been taught by India to the world. Swami Vivekananda said the following words in the World Religious Conference. So there was a religious conference held, okay. There was a conference held wherein people of all religions met together. So Hindu religion ne promote karwa, we had sent Swami Vivekananda, okay, to America. So our conference kya held thi thi America ma, and from India who had gone? Swami Vivekananda, okay. I am proud to say that I represent the religion that has taught the lessons of tolerance, compassion and universal fraternity in the world. Okay, so Swami Vivekananda in this conference, okay, he told everybody that he feels proud that he is born into a religion that teaches everybody tolerance. Tolerance meaning which teaches everybody to accept each other. Compassion meaning to show love to show feeling of caring. Okay, we in Hindu religion we teach the feeling of caring each other. Okay, so caring and universal fraternity to the world. Universal fraternity એટલે ભાઈચારો. Okay, so we believe in spreading in acceptance of each other, we believe in spreading love towards each other, and we believe that every person around us is our brother. So this was something that was promoted by Swami Vivekananda. India is a secular country. India is a land of multi-religion. Influence of Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Christianity, etc. are seen in Indian culture. We do not have one religion in India. It's a mixture of lot of religions that are present in India. That is, we have Hinduism, we have Islam, we have Buddhism, Jainism, Christianity, etc. And each and every religion teaches us something, and that is the reason why we do not have a national religion. Okay, and we say India is a secular country. That is, we give respect to each and every religion that is present in India. Therefore, the torch bearers named our country as Bharatvarsh. Torch bearers એટલે our ancient, our forefathers, આપણા પૂર્વજો, they called India as Bharatvarsh by stressing on its unity, which reflects upon the broad outlook. So what does it say? What does Bharatvarsh mean? It means the fact that we are all united with each other, okay, and we have a broad outlook, we have a broad thinking, we have a nice way of thinking. Okay, holy names of 7 sacred rivers have been used in our prayers. Okay, so seven religious rivers or 7 sacred rivers are given importance in our prayers. That is Jamuna, Yamuna, Ganga, Kaveri, all those rivers. Okay, people include great sages, Sufi saints, Swami Vivekananda, Dayanand Saraswati and Mahatma Gandhi, always pressed upon peace, coordination and universal brotherhood. So great sages એટલે આપણે સાધુ સંત. Okay, Sufi saints are Muslim saints. Okay, mainly Muslim saints. Okay, જે kun faya kun, if you would have seen Jodha Akbar, એમાં જે કુન ફયા કુન આખો white dress પહેર્યો હોય, cap red કલરની પહેરી હોય, that are Sufi saints. So Sufi saints, Swami Vivekananda, Dayanand Saraswati, Mahatma Gandhi, they all promoted peace. Okay, they all promoted living with each other with a feeling of brotherhood. Unity in diversity is the unique factor of Indian culture. Unity in diversity, the fact that we all are united is something which India is known for. At the end of the day, all the rivers amalgamate into the great ocean. So what are they saying? We all know that the rivers, they meet each other in the ocean. Equality of a country's nature, different religion, caste, language, traditions, creed, customs, festival. So they are saying that in India it's a mix of different culture, tradition, customs, rituals, caste, community, etc. And we still stay together as one, we still stay together as a united team. Okay, the people of India live their life with the feeling of coexistence. Coexistence meaning respecting the fact that the other person also exists. Okay, respecting the fact that the other person is also there and that we need to respect the other person, maybe whichever religion, language, caste he or she may belong to. The people of India have conserved this equality and have wonderfully enhanced it. So what are we saying? We Indians believe in it and we Indians enhance it to the fact that we should respect each and every religion that is there in India. With this we complete our 7th chapter.